Welcome to Farming 4.0. Today we'll explore the journey of potatoes, from seed to market using modern agricultural techniques. If you enjoy our content, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Preparing the field with agricultural machinery. The first step in the potatoes journey is planting. We begin by preparing the soil with advanced machinery that aerates and fertilizes the land. Selecting and planting seed potatoes. We select the best tubers to ensure a healthy crop. Automated equipment is used to plant the potatoes at the optimal depth and spacing. After months of care, the potatoes are ready for harvest. We use modern harvesters that can quickly and efficiently collect the potatoes, minimizing losses. The potatoes are then transported to storage, where they are prepared for processing and packaging. In storage, the potatoes are washed and sorted automatically to remove impurities and classify the products by size and quality. The potatoes are then packed in secure packages and labeled to be distributed to stores and markets. Potatoes are one of the most popular vegetables in the world, being extremely versatile and nutritious. They are an important source of complex carbohydrates, vitamins, especially vitamin C and B6, minerals such as potassium and iron, and fiber. This vegetable can be prepared in numerous ways, making it essential in many traditional cuisines worldwide. Here are some popular and delicious potato recipes. 1. Mashed potatoes. Ingredients: potatoes, butter, milk, salt, pepper. Preparation: boil the potatoes until they are soft, then mash them. Add butter and milk, mixing until you achieve a creamy consistency. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 2. French fries. Ingredients: potatoes, oil for frying, salt. Preparation: cut the potatoes into slices or sticks and fry them in hot oil until they turn golden and crispy. Place them on a paper towel to remove excess oil and sprinkle with salt. 3. Roasted potatoes. Ingredients: potatoes, olive oil, rosemary, salt, pepper. Preparation: cut the potatoes into pieces and toss them with olive oil, rosemary, salt, and pepper. Roast them in the oven at 200 degrees C until they become golden and crispy. From seed to market, modern technology plays a crucial role in ensuring quality and efficiency. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.